How to change URL format on DuckDuckGo browser on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to DuckDuckGo browser. This is the home page, as you can see. Go here, click here on the first option, themes, and now on this page all what you have to do is click on appearance, scroll down until you find URL format, and now you can change the format here, domains only or full URL slashes, as you can see. After you finish, click save and exit. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.